Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common headache for Electrolux dishwasher owners. Error code O2 on 2025 models. If your dishwasher is flashing this code, it usually means there's an issue with the water inlet system, like it's not filling up properly. Don't worry. I'll walk you through the fixes step by step, so you can get your appliance back up and running in no time. First things first, let's understand what this error is all about. Error code O2 typically indicates a problem with water flow, such as a blocked inlet or a faulty valve. Before we jump in, remember to prioritize safety. Always unplug your dishwasher and turn off the water supply before starting any troubleshooting. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Check your water supply. Make sure the water valve under your sink is fully open and that the inlet hose is securely connected to both the dishwasher and the water line. If it's kinked or clogged, straighten it out or clear any debris. This simple check resolves the issue about half the time. Next, try resetting your dishwasher. Unplug it from the wall for at least 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. This can clear temporary glitches in the system. If that doesn't work, it's time to inspect the inlet valve. You'll need to remove the lower access panel. Grab a screwdriver for this. Look for any blockages or signs of wear on the valve. Clean it gently if needed, but if it looks damaged, you might have to replace it. Speaking of hoses, check the inlet hose for any kinks, cracks, or blockages. Disconnect it carefully and flush it out with water to ensure it's clear. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and the error persists, it could be a more serious issue like a faulty pump or electronic control board. In that case, it's best to call a certified technician to avoid causing further damage. There you have it. Your guide to fixing Electrolux error code O2. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.